Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad Sangma ulapha ka khubor ngolem shaki bahayang hasem jong I Heprit insapira ibala klat no ha ka Jingshah Pynïap dusmon ha ki runar ya ka balalap ya ka Pynïap jong I ha ka step jong ka sining kong ka khat santrik unai lur aja apusan ha bakren chikla patai kubor Conrad uloong bakalong ka aka ka basongsi bat ka bamla ban pediang kumtagi kenhun pulit ru kidang yai trei nakapor syakapor bat ong bana kaliang usembut Menteri Rangba ula pentip baka Jingtohkit kalanang Ïaid chaprang but Shen ngin sala ban penbet ya kani.
Full updates, but my deepest condolences. The family, what has happened was completely not correct, and the police is working overtime. I am told by the Deputy CM that they have made very advances in the entire inquiry. I will not be able to speak about that right now because it is still in the investigation stage, but the Deputy Chief Minister has informed me that the investigation is at a very advanced stage and very soon we should be able to crack this.
Thank you, sir.